Okay, I have two items here I'd like to review. Um, Purchased at Velocity Cycles in Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. They sell Honda and BMW motorbikes. The first item is a 1 1/4 gallon gasoline can. This is pretty solid. Has a nice spout here for filling. And this item was about $25, so I think it's a pretty good deal. It'll fit right in the tank box of my NC 700X. The second item here is a U-lock I got for my bike, made by Trimax. It's pretty good solid steel. There's no way they're gonna get through that unless they have a power tool. And there's some spots on the bike you can easily lock it to, the forks or the frame, and then put it around a tree or a pole. It actually comes with 4 keys. One has a light feature on it, and also came with this this bracket to secure it to something. I'd rather not put it on my bike, rather just carry it in my bag or my top box. And this item was about $32.95, so it's a pretty good deal. So there you have it. 2 excellent items from Velocity Cycles.